is up, 400 World. Craig from CraigerCoClassic here. We got Jason. Who's Jason? Who are you?
Hi, I'm Jason with Fat Fender Garage, and we are here in Tennessee at the F100.
It's Grand Nationals F100 reunion or something like that.
We got a little outdoor booth. We're selling a little bit of merchandise, t-shirts, hats, and then we got an indoor space where we have a little bit more products and stuff.
Like your chassis? And
we don't have a chassis this year. We brought a truck, but yeah, chassis are definitely new to our company. We have all the chassis from 1947 to 1979.
Wow.
Two-wheel drive, and we're just introducing in another month four-wheel drive chassis. And so whether you're into, you know, air ride bagged on the ground or not, then we also have like a level 1 and level 2, which is level 1 is just a little bit lower than ride height.
Wow.
Level 2 is about 6 inches off the ground, and then you got four-wheel drive for those guys that want that, you know, a little bit lifted look. 35
like that truck behind you there?
Yeah, kind of like that truck right there. So, but also we sell components to make even just a factory build better. So like, I hate dome lights. That was kind of the first thing we decided to fix, was plastic dome lights with a tiny little bulb, and it's yellow and you can't even see. So we make these cool LED boards and whatnot that all add a billet. So yeah, it's more expensive, but you know, you're spending a ton of money on your truck. Why not get some cool stuff that actually works well? So that's a lot of stuff we try to do, is design it better. We're not trying to like compete with all the aftermarket stuff that is, you know, pot metal chromed, and you know, we're just trying to produce a little bit better product that works
for like
well.
The guys who like stock but also modified, so it's like familiar and similar but not completely different.
Yeah, so it's gonna
like
feel familiar, like but the quality and just the weight of it and the function and how it works is just better. Like they always say, don't build a different wheel, just build a better wheel. And so that's kind of our thought process with Fat Fender Garage, is just kind of build it in a way that actually works, and something that we use in our shop, so that the consistency of the product is going to be really consistent with all of our builds, and produce a good product at the end that's very consistent. And whether it's for the customer, a guy wants to do it in his own garage, he's like, hey, I want to do it right, I want it to look good, what do I buy? We want to be able to produce that product that is like crystal clear that yes, this does work.
That's awesome, because a lot of people's complaints about, like you said, repop parts or other people's parts is quality.
Right.
It's always like, they're always just like, oh, it's all right, but it's just not quality. So it's awesome that a company like yours is focusing on quality, especially, you know.
Quality, fit, finish, and just like, yes, this is how you do it.
That's
and
cool.
It's the right way. Because for me in the beginning, I go, like, how do you do this, right? And you go online and you search all over, and there's 20 different ways. Yeah. And you're like, and now I'm just as confused as anyone. Somebody just tell me where to go so I can get it right the first time.
There you go.
That's what we try to do.
You mentioned billet. Give me a few other things you make in billet.
Oh, so we got door handles, dome lights.
Solomon has those on his truck,
yeah,
right?
Solomon's got it on his truck.
Oh man, those are cool.
They're super cool. You can get them in black Cerakote. You can get them in polished or brushed. We also make the bed fill for your fuel tank.
Oh, cool.
We make a nice billet one. It's different than all the other ones you see. They'll actually cover up the whole wood edge, not just the lid of it. And so, I mean, there's tons of stuff on our website we make. So
that's awesome. Yeah, what's your website, man?
So just go to www.fatfender.com.
FatFender.com, man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, dude. Yeah. Hey guys, go check them out, okay? What's your social? Facebook or Instagram?
Yeah, you can go find us on Fat Fender Garage, Facebook, Instagram.
That's awesome.
All those places. So.
All right, I'm gonna go finish this freaking show up, man. Have a good one. I appreciate it.
See ya.